Here we have a General Electric microwave here. And it appears to be one of the older ones. I'm pretty sure this was made in the mid-1980s. Inside, it's not in perfect shape. It has some signs of wear, especially on the back. Otherwise, it's pretty clean. Light bulb obviously got replaced because the original one burned out who knows when. And here's the information. Model number JEM6001. This was manufactured in November 1985. This thing's 40 years old. Here's the controls. Basic controls for an old microwave like this one. Anyways, let's go ahead and test it. Well, I guess that wraps up the video.